Hello friends, this is Kanu Bhutani here and welcome back to my channel Kanu Maximo. Today we will be discussing a very simple topic but as well as a very important one. How can the Chat GPT help IBM Maximo consultants with their work, and we will see how this becomes possible and what all things are there that can and that the Chat GPT can give us. So the introduction to this slide is that we will see how the Chat GPT can assist IBM Maximo consultants in various ways by providing the information, answering questions, offering guidance, and generating the content. So let's move on. The first one is information retrieval. So the quickly retrieving information in IBM Maximo, ChatGPT can give us the documentation. If you just add in that I need a documentation for this and this topic, and it can also provide the release notes, the best practices, and troubleshooting guides. Like how you will do that. So once you get into the Chat GPT, it will be asking you to ask us something. So you will add here, act as an IBM Maximo expert. You will tell the Chat GPT, act as an IBM Maximo expert, and tell me about the details or give me the entire documentation for MAS 8, and you will see that it will start generating the documentation for you, and then how much ever details you want you can tell. We'll see that how we can do that. Problem solving, yes, it can help us in specific issues or challenges that we are facing. So how we do that? By telling the Chat GPT a potential solution to provide us with the workarounds and the troubleshooting steps. For example, if you're getting some error in IBM Maximo, you just put that error and say the Chat GPT, please give me the details of this error and why this error number is occurring, and it will you will see that it will give you all the details of that specific error, and it will help you in giving you the steps that will help you in troubleshooting. Next is configuration assistance. It provides the guidance in whatever configuration you want to do or whatever customization you want to do, and to meet the specific business requirements. It can help you in that also. And then it can offer the advice on setting some of the workflows, custom fields, and integrations accordingly the inputs that you have provided. Now here, for example, if you tell the Chat GPT, act as an expert IBM Maximo. Um, Tell me how can I configure the IBM Maximo to meet my requirements of the new field or the new entry that I have done in my Maximo. So it will take out the details and give it to you. Next, training support. Yes, you can start reading, you can get the lot of documentation related to IBM Maximo. including the modules, the features, the functionality, and the materials, and answer questions to help you as well as the end users to understand the system better. Best practices, once you want some best practices to see what are the best practices, you can just tell Chat GPT that okay, I am installing a Maximo 7.6, or I want to install Maximo 8. So what is the best practice? And it will tell you that the best practice is that you already should have Maximo 7.6 installed to install Maximo 8. And so, based on those industry standards and experiences from other consultants, it can provide you the insights into strategies for maintenance, asset management, and workflow optimization. Okay. Then comes data import export guidance. Yes. For this, the consultants who deal with data migration and integration tasks, it can take the advice by understanding what you can import and export into and from IBM Maximo, including the data mapping, the transformation, and yes, very important, the data validation. Then scripting and automation, you can tell ChatGPT to please provide me the code, the exact code of what should I type in Maximo so that I can be able to run. And even the automation tasks, the chat GPT can help in providing the code snippets, the tips on scripting languages supported by Maximo, and also guide you on automation. Upgrade planning, yes, if you want to upgrade to a newer version, ChatGPT can provide the information with that and the potential challenges. Also, the steps to ensure a smooth transition. Community and forum participation. It can recommend the relevant forums. You can just type there, please provide me the relevant forums associated with IBM Maximo, the community groups, the online resources where you can connect and share your experiences and seek advices from other consultants. Documentation generation, as I told you, that if you put in the chat GPT, please generate the entire document of MAS, it will generate automatically with all the details of configuration, customization, workflow, making it easier for you to understand the comprehensive document and their implementation easily. You can maintain it also. So I guess this was a very informative session wherein you could understand what a chat GPT can really do for Maximo. And yes, you can just go to chat GPT .openai.com and you can just log in there with your Gmail ID. Once you log in Gmail ID, you will get a screen which will ask you the to type in something, and you can really try there by putting one most important starting phrase: act as an IBM Maximo expert, tell me about this, and you will get good information. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.